video, you will know how to submit a request for a fiber to match your needs using the WPI Fiber Selection Guide. This selection guide could be found in the 2019 catalog on page 163. There are 5 steps, so let's get started. Step 1 is to select your fiber material. You will see up here these 2 charts. There are 7 fiber materials available. 2 of them are exclusive and new this year to WPI. And once you've discovered what spectral range you're working on, the numerical aperture that you'll need, you'll select that fiber material and move on to step 2. Step 2 is selecting the style of the fiber, and we offer in this selection guide, to keep it simple, only a couple. The standard is a simple patch cord. It's a single fiber patch cord. We also have a bifurcated standard option, which is 2 fibers bundled together on the common end, and at the bifurcation point, those fibers split off into 2 separate fibers, two separate legs. Once you figured out your style, you figured out your material, you move on to step 3. Now you need core diameter. You need to let us know what you need. These 7 fiber materials have options that indicate the core diameters available. Make sure they correlate to the step 1 that you chose. If you're not sure in the core diameter, a tip is to select the largest core possible. And to give you another tip, our LWCC flow cells, we recommend 600 micron core fiber. Step 4 is to specify the length. You make sure to specify the length in centimeters. We can build assemblies as long as 15 meters, but specify that in centimeters. And then step 5 is to specify the connector type that you would like at the distal ends of your fiber or the common end of your bifurcated fiber. Send this constructed part number using the fiber selection guide. You simply submit that to WPI at WPIINC.com. If there are going to be mixed connector types on your chosen assembly that you've selected, you will have to make note of that in the email that you're going to send this code to. We also do custom assemblies, and that means if this doesn't pertain to you, you need something custom, maybe mixed fiber bundles, maybe mixed connector types, just send an email to WPI at WPIINC.com.